Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to affix an excerpt in WordPress updated for 2025. Whether you're a blogger, business owner, or just managing your website, adding excerpts can improve user experience and make your content more engaging. Stick around because I'll guide you through this in just a few minutes. First, let's access WordPress. Open your browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once you're there, click on the login button at the top right. For a faster login, you can use Continue with Google, which gets you straight into your dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, it's time to navigate to the editor. Look at the right-hand panel for quick links. Then click on Edit Site. This opens up the site editor where all the magic happens. Now we're ready to add the excerpt block. Look at the top left corner and click the Add button. In the search bar, type Excerpt. You'll see the Excerpt block appear. Click it and it will be added to your page or post. From here, you can customize your excerpt. Write a short summary or highlight key points of your post. This not only helps readers quickly understand what your post is about, but it also improves the overall navigation and experience of your site. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Click Publish or Update depending on whether it's a new post or an existing one. And that's it. Your excerpt is now live and ready to enhance your WordPress site. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step way to add an excerpt in WordPress in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a WordPress tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.